Hello guys, welcome back. So as we have already completed our first 3 challenges which will be available in the same playlist, let's take up our final challenge now, which is visualize success with path and Kanban. And this is going to be the quiz. So I'm just directly going to mark away the answer. So for our first quiz, the answer would be in any list view, click shuffle to change up every record status. And for our second quiz, this is going to be check the filter panel to see if records are being filtered out. Let's check this quiz now. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed this batch. And if you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. So see you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.